Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a PlayStation 5 disk drive. First, try simple software resets and check for physical obstructions. Make sure your system's software is updated. Then power cycle your console completely, letting it rest for at least 60 seconds. Next, carefully inspect the disk slot for anything unusual. Sometimes a small, forgotten item can cause unexpected issues with the drive. Before opening your console, gather a Phillips head screwdriver, size number 0 or 1, and a thin plastic prying tool. Ensure the PlayStation 5 is completely powered off and disconnected from all cables for safety. Gently remove the two white outer shell panels. They are designed to slide off with a firm but controlled lift and push in the direction away from the logo, revealing the internal components. After removing the side plates, locate the disk drive and carefully unscrew the single screw holding down its black metal cover. Lift off the metal plate and inspect the drive for any visible issues, such as loose cables or a buildup of dust, especially around the disk insertion slot. Pay close attention to the drive's internal rollers and the delicate laser lens, ensuring they are free from any foreign material or signs of wear. Once you have identified and addressed any issues, use compressed air to gently clear away any remaining dust from the disk drive's interior and vents. For the laser lens, use a dedicated electronics cleaning swab or a very soft, dry microfiber cloth, being extra gentle to avoid scratching it. Ensure all cables are firmly reattached, then carefully place the black metal cover back on, secure its screw, and reattach the console's white side plates until they click into place.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.